Hello everyone. The video shows a wood pellet production line with an hourly output of 10 to 12 tons installed by Tony for the client. The main process are chipping, fine, crushing, drying, pelleting, cooling, and packing. The main equipment is the pellet machine the customer uses for pellet machines, each with a power of 160 kilowatts. In addition, there are also wood chippers, hammer mills, dryers, coolers, packaging machines, etc. Tony has over 20 years of experience in pellet machine processing. Welcome to visit our factory for inspection and business negotiation.